All right, mates. Hedera, Hashgraph, HBAR. Had a mate ask me about looking at that for him. HBAR's up 77% this year. And it's been crazy if you have been trading HBAR for the last 30 days. But where are we from here? Remember, it's all about liquidity pools, okay? In terms of when you're looking at these things, especially if you're a leverage trader. You want to find those lines. Right now, your support line, really in terms of a divergence, is going to be that just above 6 cents. That has to act as the springboard to 10 cents as support. If it breaks that because of the liquidity pool event, remember, HBAR in the end of Q4 2022 collapsed from just over 10 cents all the way down to 4 cents rather quickly. So that zone or that space between 4 cents and 10 cents is being filled right now, right? The RSI is only about 60-some, 64, I think. So there's a relative setup pattern for a potential appreciation of another 30%. That would get us to about 8.5, 9 cents, okay? The target, obviously, is going to be that 10-cent level because that's where we were roughly when that whole FTX collapse began, okay, in November of last year, right? When the market began to capitulate. And so all of that will want to fill up to that level, and that level is going to act as critical resistance to HBAR moving forward. But if you've been accumulating HBAR at 4 cents, or if you've been entering leverage trades at 5x or 10x at 4 and 5 and 6 cents, these have been massive returns for leverage traders, okay? So you want to pay attention to that 21-day moving average, which is just above 6 cents in HBAR, to really give you an indication, okay, is this going to be for real, or are we going to fall back down, okay, and retest? And because there's nothing really there to lend itself to preventing that collapse back to 4 cents again if 6 cents falls. So you want to watch the exchange flows, and you want to watch the volume come in at that 6 cent level to take HBAR to that 8 cent to 8.5 cent, I think is doable here, just based on the RSI level and just based on the momentum and the divergence that we're seeing here, which is, slightly bullish. So it definitely a trading opportunity, for those willing to take on a lower level 3x to 5x level here at HBAR. If that support level holds in that low 6 cent level, to get a 2 cent basis point rise in HBAR.